What's up, y'all? Today we're going to get into this ITIP install using light kinky hair. The thing about ITIPs that people don't understand is that it is a very time-consuming, full-service. It is 100% luxury. When you come in, you get a complete hair treatment, scalp detoxification, deep steam hydration treatment, full silk press, a trim, install, haircut, and style. I always make sure that no tension is put on the hair. I was trained to make sure that every tip should be 100% movable. At the end of the install, you will feel tautness, not tightness. There's a huge difference. You want to make sure that you have mobility of the hair, because if not, that's where breakage and damage will occur. Hand positioning, head position, and tension that you're using all plays a factor in your tips and how they look, last, and the outcome that you get when you're done. For my customers, this is the perfect method if you like to wash your hair, work out. You just need something to just give you a little oomph, a little pizzazz, but you don't want your scalp restricted in weave. This is literally perfect for you. Sometimes when I'm using kinky or curly textures, I like to press that hair out before I finish so that it helps me with my final install. I don't curl hair from bone straight. Most of my clients are textured, so they want their curls to have texture as well, just to give it that natural feel and effect. Is it just me, or can you literally watch hair videos, especially like straightening? Like, it is just so oddly satisfying. Like, I love it so much. Anyway, just a little quick video for y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.